Did you know humans actually beat sharks at smelling one thing? The scent of wet earth after rain, called petrichor. Sharks are famous for detecting a drop of blood in the ocean from far away, but our noses are thousands of times more sensitive to petrichor. That's why the smell of rain hitting dry soil feels so strong and nostalgic. It's hardwired into us to pick it up quickly, possibly because it once helped our ancestors find fresh water. So next time you step outside after a storm and breathe in that earthy scent, remember, you're out sniffing a shark.